Hi everyone, Halloween is incomplete without monster pumpkin face, so we are going to draw the pumpkin here on the tip of the nail. Use this orange nail paint and give the shape of the pumpkin first. Using a black nail paint, we are going to make outlines, so take a very thin brush and make the triangular eyes and scary smile on the top of it, and look, it's ready. Let's make this beautiful firework nail art. For that we are going to use this glitter. Now we are going to blow all of them like we are doing here. After this, take a very thin brush and similar way we are making these random strokes on the top of the glitter like this. Add more colors like white and other glitters, and look, it's ready. Finish it, it's done. We're going to make this very beautiful apple shape, so let's get started. First, using this white nail paint, we are going to make the shape of a heart at the center of the nail. Now we are going to add outlines like using red nail paint and yellow as well. Similar way we are adding the seeds. Use a very thin brush for a nice shape, and look, it's done. Here we are going to make this beautiful nail art. We are using a sparkle and glittery nail paint. First, put it on the tip of the nail and spread it like this using another brush, and look, it's ready. And look how shiny this is looking. We are going to finish it like this, and look, it's done. If you want a simple and elegant nail art design for Halloween, then this is just for you. We are drawing a beautiful black rose here using a black nail paint. Don't need a lot of nail paint here as well. So we are just using a black nail paint and draw the rose and its leaves using a thin brush. Complete it, and look, your design is ready. We're going to make this beautiful nail art design, so let's get started. First, we are going to draw these random patch on the top of the nail. Now we are using this black nail paint. You can take whatever color combination you want. Here we are going to mark line on the outside of it, and then using a very thin brush we are drawing these random lines on the black nail paint like this, and create this beautiful pattern on the top of it like we're doing here. Spread all the black paint like this, and look, your nail art is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.